Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to do Instagram SEO. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using SEO to get more reach on Instagram? SEO plays an important role in the discovery of content on the platform. A strong SEO strategy is one of the ways to increase your content reach on Instagram. You can tailor your content so that people can discover your posts. The more people discover your content on Instagram, the more you can grow the number of your followers. First, you have to write relevant keywords in your post's captions. Let's try this keyword phrase. The first content shown here shows this image having this caption. As you can see, it matched one of our search keywords. Another photo shows the exact caption that we have typed in. You may notice that these terms are important to include in your captions as well. Using the search field, anyone can search for keywords or phrases that they are interested in on Instagram. As you search for keywords or phrases, it will show different tabs to organize your searches. The first tab shows the top ranking searches. The Accounts tab shows IG accounts that you can follow. The Audio tab, the Hashtag tab, which shows relevant hashtags, and the Places tab, which shows location-based posts. Next, you have to place relevant keywords in your bio. Your content can be discovered as you place these search terms in your bio. As you can see in this example, this profile includes the keyword fashion in their profile's bio, and it helped their content be shown to my Explore tab since it matched the keywords women's fashion. If you check their content, their photos get thousands of likes. Next is, you need to include up to 30 relevant hashtags in your caption. If you're a brand, your content has a higher chance of getting discovered by users who are interested in your niche. As I am browsing the search results, you can see here that I've discovered this shopping and retail brand. Have you noticed that they have used more hashtags in their captions? Relevant keywords and hashtags can also help your content be shown to people who are most likely to search for those terms. So take note of that. Next, you can add alt text to images. This allows your photos to help Instagram understand what your content is all about in case the photo fails to load. And the keywords under the alt text will help include your photo in the search results. And finally, use the right keywords. You need to include keywords or phrases that your audiences are searching for. For example, I am a user who loves fashion, so let's type in women's fashion. If I'm a user who is looking for outfits to wear, then this keyword phrase will return Instagram photos from users who use this phrase on their captions. This is a great way for you to market your brand. If you use relevant keywords when posting content, Instagram will monitor how many views or reactions your content receives. As you get more traction and engagement, your content will be shown to more people on Instagram. If you need to turn every prospect into a client using hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages, we have a marketing app that can help you get more replies, conversions, and sales from every message you send. It's called Sell It Pics. You can personalize image messages for LinkedIn prospecting and personalize image messages for Facebook marketing. Direct outreach is the simplest way to win new clients and grow your business. First, find leads using social sites, directories, and search engines. Create a prospect list of your best customers. Next, collect contact data for your reach out. Choose the right reach out strategy. Select the right channel for your client and market. Then send your message. Reach out and start turning leads into customers. So try Sell It Pics now. Go to the URL gosellitpics.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.